come my yard and me I say, watch you know. Tree some me I tell me be a fucker me and surf.
I mean that work at the time. Alright, listen. This is when me not work, I'm willing to have sex for money. But this is when me at work, I'm not really willing to have sex with money because me can't get what me want when me get paid. But this is when
you know, me just remember you did I got give me tree some boy you didn't want a piece of cookie. You didn't want a piece of cookie, what me did say?
Yes, sir, stop move so. But me never did stop move so because I end the idea. Hold on.
Yeah man, our man did it. Our man did it, people. Why you who did it?
So anyway, one time.
Yeah man, a two brother man. Me a beat it, me take a small beat first and then
shut your mouth.
Listen, tell her how you get to talk to my brother. Remember saying when me dey have to end up, me dey have to always come a Portmore to see how where him live and hear what go on. Him did a drive. Listen what me I say now. Him did a drive. Me never did a drive at the time. Zine. So here we go on now. Me tell her, say, yo, bring a girl so my brother can get a girl. That way them can bring me go link her. So she bring a girl, feed the man, him gonna go beat upstairs, me a beat in the water. Say come like say through the man they near now. She say him the far now, him not driving now. Say no, me do. Me brother go and beat his skin. Yo, but you know, me respect her still, because even after the dog I beat the skin, she still bring it back, come give me same way. So, you know, feel like I beat the skin better than him?
We just had sex 2 times. Me and him did have a little relationship going because him did want to get me pregnant.
Bumper ass.
Him did want to get me pregnant.
Yo, if me did pre-man over a girl, but I pre-man, I can guess that the man look here behind my back, you know?
Because look here now. Him did just know
no, behind my back,
him did know, alright, listen now. Him know some love family, right?
Mm-hmm.
And him know some love family, bad. When him hears the family, I go perform as Magnum Kings and Queens, I don't know how it happened. But him end up and me could go in a VIP and me get to see family backstage, on stage, everything. So when we are grad Magnum Kings
so
and
them
Queens,
time they give me the first
when
time.
I so when I got Magnum Kings and Queens, me I give him head per Mandela Highway. It feels so fucking good. The first time that me I give head in a one car, and me I tell her say, brother.
So
the only thing I like about your brother, the only thing I like about your brother, and I want more you know this, the only thing I like about your brother is that he more think you fucking man.
I still like you, man.
The man more think, and he ever kiss me and he more think.
Me never kiss you yet still.
You know, man, if you ever kiss me, but I just tell you, your brother more think.
No, because I don't like kiss still overall. I know because it's rain, but me overall, me is a type of man, me don't love kiss. Any female me there with them always have problem. I say, why you don't like kiss? But me don't love kiss still.
Alright, one thing, I'm going to show you something. You see the way your brother more think, I think I'm saying did a drain. And then again, one time my friend in a car, the market, and we are drive go home. And we are drive go home, and my friend said to me, say, I know what smells so. So I say, what smells so for true? So I know say, your brother thinking more, you know. So in my blood clot, the one we usually work up on national the day. So anyways, me and him did. And me ask what a man more think. Then one time I get exposed. I see him over Telegram group I talk about him give up my location which part I live.
Him? What kind of that?
Yeah, so I text him and I say, yo, where you do him say I him? But so, what you mean, and you remember, say Telegram work with number and name. So, when you on Telegram, you sign up, either you sign up with a number or you sign up with the email. So, I say to him, so, why you tell people about hear him now? She give good show, she give good head, bro. She live at XYZ. So, I say, fuck. I may have just done fucking in July and yeah, do them something here.
Yo, me not feel like I'm money make sure there with him. I chew the dog I drive, cause in a them time them
no, I know because I know. I'm gonna tell you something. Him usually up to anything I'm up to. And
wait, hold on.
So me usually call me
Hold on, come on, find out. Him not try put him out down there.
I'm not gonna tell you that.
Bro, talk, don't ramp with me. Yo, talk from now, bro. I want to know if that in my family, bro.
No, so you're going like say you kiss your brother. You kiss your brother for
no, I want to know if that in my family. Please, tell me.
Moving
answer that now, bro.
Moving along. You see, if him do
Can
me
you
dirty,
answer that?
if him do me dirty, I'm not going to do dirty for him.
I want to know if that in my family. Him do it?
If in your family, just know say, you ready for do it next. But anyway.
My girl, mama come conquer big. Don't ramp me badness, you.
Anyways.
May I ask you, man do that?
No.
Alright then, I just want to know if that in my family. Because when they say up to anything, I'm like, up to anything. What you mean?
Anyways. So in the
I'm saying up to anything in about not to put him out down there, sir.
Him did want to get more pregnant and
it running a which family? I'm mad.
Him did want to get more pregnant.
No, you in my family.
Him tell me some of come off of the pill them mama they pan. Anyways, whenever did I stop
saying raw doggy in your belly too?
Baby, but anyways, me did get one in our future from
patient do it the villa. What that? Patient do it the villa.
Do it at the villa. He asks if you do it at villa.
You're mad? You're
mad?
Never
do it villa.
You're mad? With no girl can come on this them you're sick. Them get cocky till them sick, man. You know them more tired of them.
Shut up, cause guess what? Mama tell you something. If you never know, mama tell you something.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you this as a secret.
Yeah.
Enough boy will say them not do it. I have a sexual energy convince man. Mama tell you something. Even though we're upon life, half our life, me I tell you can't do anything.
At the back door, him did one.
Remember, say me have power, you know? Me have power. So anything can go. You can't convince me. I can't convince any man me want, cause
hold on, me want to know where them person say back door them want. Who them attack?
I don't know where them attack, bro.
Me never answer them, but you are.
Listen, brother, even woman can alive there.
Hold on, the brother, hold on. He dog go the back door?
No, mama tell us something. You see, man easy if you can.
You say no.
Man easy if you convince you.
You have to eat no front. Because listen, let me tell you this. I say if me did for eat front, would I eat front long time? Because guess what? Me they have this.
So it go.
Listen what me I say now you, me I talk to you. Me they have this big woman where they should buy me a bite them time the poor life I slap me like a rascal. Me I say, yo, me I get out of this poverty and me they get this big woman, bro, we have money. And me I tell her, say, yo, the big woman buy me a bike and the big woman make me know straight, say, yo, if me eat it, she'll buy me a car, show me all money on the table. If me not eat it from them time there, we could have never do that now. You're mad. Them time the poor life, I box me. And when me tell her, say, me not do it, the moms left me. And when the next dog, when me know she go take up and I me see her drive, be carry me so.
I need to understand this. You see, when it comes down to sex, anything in sex is very convincing. A girl cannot be a freak, but she will be a freak for you if you convince her to. And when I say convince, I mean you portray the right
You
energy.
can't convince no man where no one. Any man you convince, and the man name a long time.
How comes you
But if on this earth, I'm fucking enough girl, rich girl, poor girl, girl where rare, and them can't convince you when I'm enough friends, bro.
I'm tell you something.
You know my cocky big. You know my cocky big. You know.
Yes, your cocky big, but
you
guess
know when
what?
I fling that
Sex
cocky
is
in
sex.
belly. Listen,
Sex
you know
talk
when
to yourself, girl. You see, all I man them upon this way, I try to tell me say this and that. I will leave a man me convince a good little brother, a good little father, but me I tell you no straight.
You can't convince my brother neither, youth. I tell you that.
I can't convince your brother?
No, I can't convince you that. Yo, me don't like how you laugh. So the dog near me, bro, man. The dog near me. People, guys, you know that. When I feel like the dog near me.
Listen, I'm tell you
I'm wondering if that in our family, you know, when I get to blood cut off him lip them.
Me never, you see, before so could become so brawly, me never know somebody that will start so good. And when you realize our body tastes good sometimes, me and say,
The mind tastes good?
no, you did have a little tangy taste.
You're that liar there, she liar.
No, I'm going to tell you how
you try to bring me down.
well, I'm going to tell you how you would taste. May I be honest? It tastes like you're going to punani and you never wash it.
No,
so I suck off one punani after you would.
Stop do that. Stop try to bring me down. You know.
I'm not bringing it.
Be honest. Be honest. Talk it true.
I'm under liquor, I'm intoxicated right now.
Be honest.
I'm intoxicated right now, and me I tell you.
Bro, you know, say honestly, that dog, yeah, it should make me feel like the dog do it, bro. Cause I don't know, she can't, brother, no girl can't come on this app, yeah, bro, and come say my name, no pussy, bro.
Okay, alright then.
Him do it, be honest, if you're under the liquor,
the first time when I suck it with me, I tell you where you go. Yeah. When I taste it, it tastes rink.
Yeah.
Like you just done pee-pee. And that me not like. Me like when man wash off them wood because...
Yeah. Alright, you said that about me. Okay, maybe me do piss and never wash it, so me can't do nothing about that. I truth, if I that or that. But me I say, the dog, my brother, me I talk about no.
Your brother, you hear mouth stink, me I tell you.